So yeah, this is, we're a little slick, a little slimy. But shit, at least it's not dusty. And this trail is notorious for being wet. So, and wet she is, definitely. Wet she is. So yeah, we got me and Ian and John are staying in the shed. Hillbilly Hideaway overbooked real bad, so Dad and Mike weren't happy with the accommodations that they're trying to provide. So they went ahead and got a hotel about 12 miles away, and just pulled out and went over there and stuff. So, you know, we hung out last night. A pretty decent group of people. There's a couple of douchebags, like that John guy and that Ian guy. They're pretty fucking douchey. But nah, for the most part, had fun. Bullshit at the fire and drank a couple beers and whatever. So we're gonna hopefully beat these guys to Rider's Paradise, because God knows I don't want to get there behind 30 people. But and then again, it's 30 people, so we'll probably catch them pretty quickly. They took off about. They took off about 15, 20 minutes before us. Not really a reason to go up there. That's sloppy through there. Sloppy through there.
Dude, these trial tires suck in the top.
You gotta stay a little higher in the RPMs to keep it cleared out. No, it is a 430. Oh, what the fuck? It took you guys that long to get to the gas well? Fuck.
Well, let's go another way.
Yeah. Shit.
Where do you want us to go before the side-by-side?
We'll go a different way.
You gotta be big squad.
We'll go a different way.
Okay.
I'm not gonna. Go ahead. Yeah, we'll go up and go around. That sucks. How the hell did, I guess with 30 people, they were going to the gas well and then coming through here.
Yeah.
Good God, we gave them like 20-minute head start.
Yeah.
All right, we good? Where's Bildo? What?
I wanted to hear him fucking open that door.
Oh.
Did Bill go with them?
Yeah. I guess.
Oh, did Bill go?
I don't know. Did he come back down?
He came down here just ahead of me.
He must have gone with him. True.
Unless he went down. Hey, he wasn't the last one, was he? Yes, the Yamaha.
Yeah, the Yamaha was.
Whatever the hell it is, that's the last one. No. Bill, the guy that was with us. He came down this hill just ahead of me.
He went with him.
He went.
All right, ready?
I will be.
Screw that. We're gonna jump over here and cross 12 and we'll run 19 out. I don't want any parts of that shit.